Thanks everyone for listening, and if you're just getting into this episode now, this is episode 13 in a series of goal achievements, or how I like to call it, goal mining. One of my favorite parts of life is the action part, making things happen and pressing the pedal to the metal. What is your daily action plan to achieve this goal? Daily, how many hours are you set to and committed to make this happen? Anyone remember step number 1? I know it was a while ago. Step number 1 was commitment. This is when we need to put that commitment in practice. In fact, this is a daily thing. Set yourself a schedule and an accountability chart. Set yourself daily tasks that you need to accomplish to make your goal happen. For example, you want to lose weight. Well, on your accountability chart, you would write yourself a point for eating 8 vegetables a day, a point for juicing, a point for exercising, and a point for smaller meals. If you get all of them, you get 5 points for that day. Simple and easy to track. Take a moment and identify your daily tasks, followed by a measuring system, and finally a celebration method. If you reach a certain amount of points daily, now just make sure that your celebration doesn't sabotage your weekly work. This is Yasmin from Ahhha Moment.